All right. To succeed with our global transition towards renewable energies, we need to get 1 billion photovoltaic systems up and running as fast as possible. And while installing such capacity is one thing, making each unit perform at its potential is another one. My name is Johannes Burgard. I'm founder and CEO at Solytic, and we are digitalizing post-installation solar for operational excellence. Now, we have all heard more and more bad news recently, including the latest IPCC report about the rapid speed of global warming and that we will reach the 1.5 degrees by 2030 already. So we believe now is the time to scale proven clean tech solutions, so we can slow down global warming and stop that clock together. The good news is that solar energy is ready to take the lead. We're performing at a 30% growth rate over the last years already, and it's still accelerating. So we're counting about 25 million assets worldwide today, but we need to grow 40-fold now within a few years so that we can reach our target on time with 1 billion assets. And solar has reached operational excellence in utility scale already, where engineers are monitoring the assets from their high-tech control rooms. But as you can imagine, for smaller systems, it's a completely different ballgame. And the smaller the system is, the worse it gets. In terms of units, these decentralized assets count for 99% of the market. And those 99% don't have professional supervision. And they lack operational excellence most of the time, because the responsible people don't have this advanced knowledge about the technology. Now, this is a topic because it leads to underperformance of these assets, typically. And that's mostly hidden because normal monitoring solutions cannot detect such shortcomings. They lack these analytics capabilities that the engineers would bring to the table, analyzing the data, connecting the dots, and taking actions. So we call this a data gap, because it leaves the non-professionals left alone with visualized data, but without the information of actionable insight. And that is a dead end. At Solytic, we hate dead ends. So we decided to build bridges with our platform, directly connecting the photovoltaic systems to services through an end-to-end value chain. We are combining live IoT data with third-party data sources, so we can detect low performance automatically. And with our monitoring solution, we are showing an unbiased benchmark of high and low performance. So with our digital platform, we want to bring operational excellence to everyone, because we want to drive revenues, cut costs, and extend the life cycle of all photovoltaic systems. Providing customers with smart data-driven guidance, so all users can benefit from professional information without having this technology knowledge themselves. Because we envision the future of solar energy to be fully digitalized, with Solytic becoming the go-to platform that enables everyone to take an active role in fighting climate change by improving the performance of their photovoltaics. Over the last years, we know that this vision is pretty big. So we started out with the energy utilities and market experts, EWE, as we just heard, and Vattenfall, so we could develop and scale our solution quite fast. So from onboarding single customers in the very early days, we're growing by 3,000 units now per month. And within the first 4 years of our business, we scaled to 160,000 assets under management with our currently commercially available product, a hardware-independent monitoring SaaS solution. This is based on a digital twin technology. It has market-leading white label capabilities, and it is processing already actual big data. Our typical customers are large installers, operators, or solar manufacturers, in fact. Our transaction-based marketplace is currently in the MVP phase in our first market, Germany, where we are providing our customers already key solutions and services in categories such as cleaning, maintenance, or hardware. We are absolutely convinced there will be an AI-driven platform optimizing the world's 1 billion photovoltaic systems down the road. And with us being a first mover here, we want to make sure that platform is called Solytic. But to get there, we now have to merge our monitoring, analytics, and marketplace capabilities into one single product. We call that a digital assistant, bringing operational excellence to everyone at their fingertips. But we have only 8 years left to get this done on time. So let's not waste any time. And to get our kick-ass solution to the next level on time, we're announcing our Series B kickoff today. We're raising 15 million euros to scale our monitoring, further develop our analytics, and to build up our marketplace capabilities. And we're really proud that we have already some of the smartest people on our team, bringing solar experience, SaaS, and marketplace know-how to the table so we can complete this mission. And our DNA is green, and we are ready for the next phase on our mission towards digitalizing solar. So please reach out if you would like to become part of this story, and thank you very much for listening today.